What is going on, everybody? DJ Minds here. Okay guys, so today we are talking about like the worst thing to deal with as an at-home miner, probably for crypto miners in general, and that is heat. I hate the heat. I think we all know summer is coming, guys, and if you are new to crypto mining, trust me, because that's what this video is all about, man. Trying to help out the newer people or people who are at-home miners, trying to just figure out the heat. But huge shout out to Crypty. Thank you so much for fixing our banner, fixing our t-shirt. You can get all your crypto gear. It doesn't even have to be mine if you don't want to support me. The link is in the description. I mean, they've got Ergo, Flux, everything you think of. Anyways, guys, trying to deal with heat is like the worst thing ever. And so here's some of the things that I've been doing that aren't permanent, and I really like them. Okay, so if you're not new to crypto mining, this seems really obvious, but yeah, I got a fan, and this fan is awesome, man. It's 3000 CFM. Let me see if I can turn that thing on high for you. I mean, this one I'm using as an exhaust fan. Incredible, dude. It's not permanent. You know, you are obviously going to have a window seal, but I can tell you just this exhaust is like a 7 to 10 degree difference, and I love this thing. I don't know if you could hear that, but this thing is insanely powerful. It is a little bit pricey, but you get what you pay for, man, because I used to buy those cheapos. Let me see if I can find like a cheapo around my house. You know, when I was brand new trying to deal with this, trying to deal with the heat last summer, I bought stuff like this, and these are kind of expensive, but not too cheap. These ones are like $40, and yeah, they're cool, dude, for like maybe 2-3 months, and then they just suck and they don't do anything. There's not enough CFM. I do not recommend anything like this. You know, and then I got these standing fans last summer. I hate these things. They do nothing, man. Like same thing. Like for a month or two, you're like, oh, these are decent. And in reality, they are terrible. They do not last. I got these from Walmart. What is this brand? I don't even know. Or maybe I got from Amazon. I don't remember. These things are terrible. You know, and then I also tried these as well. Awful. Straight garbage. I've tried 20-inch of these, 18-inch, 16-inch. It's the plastic, man. You get what you pay for. And if you cheap out, you know, I ended up spending more buying this garbage like this one, plus this one, and two more like this, end up costing way more than just buying the good fans that I just showed you. So here's my room. I'm fortunate enough to have two windows. That's the exhaust side that I showed you. And I'm also using the exact same fan here. Now the brand is Lasco. I'm not saying you have to use this. This is what I'm using, and oh my God, dude, 20 degree difference. At least 15 degree difference so far, but 20 degrees at night, and it is phenomenal. I actually have to turn this thing on low because my room gets like ice cold at night. Now obviously when it gets 90 degrees and such outside, these are still going to do great, but they're not going to get you down to the 70s again. But yeah, I have to turn them off because they're so good. And I mean, it's not a bad thing. You can see the build quality, man. You know, and yeah, I do have an Amazon link for this in the description below. Don't feel pressured to use it, but if you do want to support the channel, it doesn't cost you anything extra. Just, you know, get you the same fan that I'm using. All right, guys, so the next tip that I have for you, trying to keep your room cool, is this right here. This is like a UV blocker. This is kind of like the same tint that you would put anywhere else on like your car or something. I don't know if you can see the difference. I actually did put a film there, and it doesn't look as dark as this because there's two layers here, but absolutely incredible. Now, I have to say, you know, I didn't cut it the best, as you can see. Please use a razor blade. I don't know. My wife did the other one. It looks so much better. I just kind of winged it, and I don't even know what I was cutting it with. It's a pretty embarrassing cut, but who cares, dude? And when you move, man, you just grab that corner right there, peel it off. You know, it's not permanent. That's what I'm all about. I know, like, the best thing to do, everybody always suggests, you know, get an exhaust in the corner. Dude, that's permanent. I'm not trying to deal with that. Like, everything I'm doing, man, like when I'm done with this fan, I'll just take it out the window. Done. That's what I love about it. You know, this helps so much, guys. I gotta tell you, the difference of the sun just beaming in my room just from this. I think this cost 25 bucks each or something. I got 6 foot. So 6 foot did both of these windows, just so you know. So 6 foot and then 6 foot, and I think it costs $25 each. I'll put a link for that in the description below if you want to use that as well. Now, is it doing a huge difference just for these little tints as far as temperature? I don't really know how to gauge that. You know, it's kind of hard to say because each day is a little bit different, and you know, it's difficult. But what I can say is, as far as like the room coming in here, right? Like the sun coming in here, mega difference. Because, you know, I like to hang out in this area or over here by my computer right there. And dude, I'm telling you, like, it's a major difference for 25 bucks, you know? Now, will it drop your room temperature 10 degrees? No, but the sun won't come in. And I like that because I have a lot of boxes here. I don't want to get faded. You know, just my GPUs, it's gotta help, right? I mean, there's no way blocking out the UV rays doesn't help at all. So I think this is incredible for like 25 bucks. Here's the other room, and I did not tint these at all. It's actually not that bright outside. I think it's like 5 p.m. But just to show you the difference, guys, I mean, it is night and day difference. Like, maybe it's not picking it up on camera, but I have to tell you, it is a huge, huge difference. And again, I don't know what the temperature difference will be, but there definitely won't be as much sun in your room anymore. Some other things to think about is a ceiling fan. This helps probably 5 degrees. But what I've noticed, guys, now that this is like my second summer, or we're going into our summer, is that, you know, moving air doesn't do much if you're not shooting it out. And I know that seems really obvious, but I was very stubborn up until right now. I mean, last summer, I literally just had this going, the little cheapo fans, and the air would just circulate, but it would never leave my room. It would never really move the way I wanted to because I didn't have enough CFM. So basically right now, what we're doing, right, is we're making this big circle around my room, or it feels like a circle. Shout out to the hobbyist miner, he kind of explained it, but essentially, right, the air is coming in here to some extent, and then it's kind of circling around the room and going out that way, because you guys can see, man, I know my room is trashed right now, okay? I have a rig here, and I got a rig there, and there's a rig in there, and I got my computer. So essentially, yeah, it's coming in, and it's going out. Instead of before, it was just going in and just kind of sitting here and lingering here. And literally last week, guys, I'm not even kidding, it was 100 degrees. Could you imagine 100 degrees in May? Yeah, so yeah, we had to fix it, dude. So I understand the ceiling fans are permanent. Maybe that's not the best tip for a lot of you, but one thing to consider, guys, you know, if you only have a couple rigs, try your best not to put it in a room that has carpet. Carpet, dude, I'm telling you, the difference between a room that doesn't have carpet and has carpet is probably 10 degrees because it stays there, it lingers. I'm also on the second floor. That's another tip, guys. You know, try to keep your rigs on the first floor. I have 13 rigs in this home, so I don't have an option, man. Like I said, I got like 3 or 4 in this room. The other rooms only have 1 each, and the 2 living rooms have 2, right? So do your best. If you only have a couple rigs, if you're a newer miner, try to avoid the second floor as best as you can, and also avoid carpet if you can. And real quick, before we end this video, I want to give a huge shout out to all of the mining community. These are some of the stickers that I recently received. This is the one that Crypty sent me. Again, huge shout out to Crypty for fixing our logo. No 2 Ethereums anymore. Dude, New England, I'm so sorry. New England Crypto, please guys, check out all these guys that I'm naming. I can't find your sticker. You sent it to me. This is your business, I believe. So check out his business, I guess. Federal Hill. I'm so sorry, dude. Send me another sticker. I'll pay for it if I need to. Yeti, my boy Yeti. This guy's a genius. He got the hollow here. Look at that. That's so cool, man. And of course, the original. The veteran miner, dude. Thank you so much, man. Very active. All these guys are super active, guys. Please subscribe to these guys. Triple D coming in. Thank you so much, bro, for being part of this beautiful community. 2021. Kind of looks like a diner, like a 70s or no, 50s diner or something. Rylan, nice guy, man. Awesome, dude. I love this little sticker, dude. That's so cool. Thank you, man. D Miners, my man. We always go in his Discord, play some games. Thank you, man. I got one of each. And of course, my boy Hawk Mining. Look at this sticker, dude. This thing is legendary. Look at that, man. This makes my sticker look like doo-doo. I need to come up with a new logo, man. Look at that. That is like, wow, that's powerful right there, man. I love the Bitcoin in the middle. Very cool, dude. Again, to everyone in the mining community, I am honored that you would send me your sticker. Let me know if you want one of mine. I only have the old ones right now. I don't have any of the Bitcoin ones made. I'll try to make those. Right now, they're only for sale on Crypty. I wish I had some more, but maybe I'll get some more and I'll send those out to you guys. If you want the old one, let me know. Anybody in my Discord, send me an email or hit me up in Discord. I'll send you one for free with the Ethereum, the double Ethereum, unfortunately. I'm so honored to be with all of you on this mining channel, dude. Thank you guys so much for having me. And times are rough in the GPU world. I know that, but we got each other, man, and we're all gonna get rich as hell for the next bull run, guys. If you can, hodl your coins, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.